Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to try out this Dr. PAWPAW Shea Butter Balm that I actually got in my Fall 2021 Eczema Sample Store subscription box, which if you have not seen that unboxing yet, I'll have that video linked in the description down below. And I actually have not heard of this product before, but I love these types of products. And I was looking it up online and it's actually a very popular, award-winning product. You can get it at Ulta for $10 and it's 100% natural, cruelty-free, vegan. It's a hydrating, nourishing balm for lips, skin, cuticles, and many more uses. It's multi-purpose soothing balm using papaya fruit. And so it also has aloe vera and olive oil. And I'm so excited about this because I have found that these types of balms truly heal my eczema, moisturize and heal my very dry, chapped lips, which is what I'm definitely going to be trying this out on today. And I love a multitasking product. And then of course there's all the beneficial ingredients in here and vegan, natural, cruelty-free, all of that good stuff. And let's see, okay, it's got the squeezy tube here. The instructions say to squeeze some onto your finger to apply it. So that's what I will do. I was wondering if this would smell like papaya or fruity, but I don't get any scent to it, which is good because I don't really want this to have a fragrance if I am going to be applying it to places where I have like an eczema breakout or something like that, because fragrance can make it worse. But so let's see how this is on my very unappealing dry chapped lips right now. It's nice. It's how I was expecting it to go on. Kind of like a thicker petroleum jelly a little bit, but it does remind me a lot of a petroleum jelly because of the shine that it has as well. And I will say, it's not immediately deeply hydrating. Like I'm really having to rub it in, rub my lips together to fully soften my dry lips. Maybe I need to apply a little bit more. And my lips are definitely more moisturized now, but I was expecting something a little bit more moisturizing immediately than that. Like I can still feel a little bit of like dry texture on my lips. It kind of seems more like it just did like a coating rather than deeply hydrating, which is what I prefer, is to have something that's deeply hydrating and completely gets rid of any dry, chappedness to my lips. So it's okay, but definitely not amazing. I have very dry nails and cuticles right now, so using this as like a moisturizing cuticle treatment is also a good use for it. And I feel like that helps, but once again, it's not the most incredibly moisturizing product. So if you have somewhat dry, chapped lips or somewhat dry skin, I think this will be fine, but it's not the best product I've ever tried. So like I like it enough that I'll continue using it, but it's just not all that impressive to me, as you can tell. So if you've tried this out, I'd love to hear in the comments down below your favorite uses for it. I'm definitely kind of disappointed because I was very excited about this, especially since it's award-winning. That really hypes it up, right? But I'm not really seeing the hype with this. But anyways, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.